Alright, so this is how you replace a rear wiper blade on a 2015 Mazda CX-5. This is probably the same for most Mazda products. Alright, so we're going to start with this old blade down here. We're going to put our fingers and spread this plastic clip out of the way like that. We're going to set that aside. That allows our wiper arm to come up. I'm going to rotate my wiper blade, okay, just like that. So it kind of, this, if you can kind of see this shape, this is what's holding it in there, and this is the bar. So you're rotating it until you can slip it out this way. I'm replacing with original Mazda blades because not only are they good priced, but just like with Honda products, you can just in the future just replace the rubber blade and keep the wiper arm, which is even cheaper. So wiper blades can actually be very expensive. So I'm gonna go with these, and then in the future, whenever my daughter needs new wiper blades, we'll just buy this rubber blade portion. So save some money that way. All right, so this wiper has a direction. You have this little notch. So this notch is going to be like this, where this part's going to be closer to the window, and then when it goes up, that's going to be out farther. So I'm going to start off in reverse order, kind of rotate this until I can kind of pop that down in that hole just like that, and then I want to push, rotate my wiper down, and it locks itself in. That's it. It's back installed. It's not going to come off. So that's how easy that is. I'm going to take this cap. This little partial circle has to fit in that gap. So I just need to come straight in like this. Snap back on. This doesn't come up like most wipers. Most wipers you could angle up to clean under, but this one doesn't. It stays close like that. It's just the way they're made. So don't break it by trying to force it out. So that's our rear wiper.